Your thumb stops mid-scroll on a pair of sleek athletic leggings. They look like they cost $100, but they are listed for only 20. This happens every single day to almost everyone with a smartphone. We see these shiny new storefronts popping up on our feeds. They have gorgeous photography. They offer prices that feel like a complete steal. One specific name hitting the radar lately is Seranvie. It looks like an absolute dream for your closet. It appeals to anyone wanting a fresh workout wardrobe. You get the look without emptying your savings account. They have everything from sports bras and tank tops to those trendy tennis skirts. They even have athletic dresses. The site claims global shipping. They promise high-end quality that is built to last. But here's the massive red flag about these digital storefronts. You absolutely must look past the pretty professional pictures. I started digging into the background of this particular shop. Something felt just a little too polished for such a new name. One of the first things that jumps out is how young the website is. It was just registered very recently. It only has a 1-year lease on its domain name. That is not a crime by itself. Every big brand had a first day at some point. However, it is a very common trait among fly-by-night operations. They show up and sell a huge volume of products. Then they vanish before the year is up. Then there is the mystery of who actually runs the place. You can find a basic email address for support. They even offer a live chat feature to make you feel comfortable. But try to find a physical office location. Try to find a real phone number. You will come up empty-handed every single time. There is no founder story to read. There is no history of how the brand started or where it came from. Most legitimate fashion companies want you to know their mission. They want to build a long-term brand identity with their customers. Here, we see a lot of generic buzzwords instead. Phrases like global style hub and high standards appear on every page. It feels like a template. It feels like someone just filled in the blanks on a pre-made e-commerce website. They want to get it up and running fast. Then you have the constant psychological pressure of the flash sale. Discounts of 30% or more are plastered everywhere. This creates a fake sense of urgency in your brain. It makes you want to buy right now. You feel like you have to act before the price goes back up. But you have to ask if that original price ever even existed. This looks like a classic reseller model. They likely source items from massive overseas factories. They act as the middleman. You might eventually get your clothes. They might even look decent in a mirror. But you have zero ways to verify those bold claims. You cannot check the manufacturing standards. You cannot verify long-term reliability. There are no press mentions from fashion magazines. There are no real customer reviews outside of their own site. It is a massive gamble. You are trading transparency for a low price tag. If you decide to buy, you need to be incredibly smart. Do not just hand over your primary debit card information. Use a payment method with strong buyer protection. Use a major credit card or a secure third-party processor. That way, you have a real safety net. You are protected if the package never arrives. You are safe if the quality is a disaster. Staying stylish should not mean getting taken for a ride. Always look for the details that are missing from the page. The missing pieces often tell a much bigger story than the flashy ones on display.